Fun.
Helpful.
Exciting.
It's a good program. Helping.
It opens up so much possibilities. Like, you could be a pharmacist or a paramedic, or you could fly a plane for medevac.
I learned about using the equipment, and it was fun getting them onto the back.
Next thing you find yourself in a sticky situation, and this little program right here will help you out and give them a chance to save someone's life.
I think it's a really great program because it's a life starter for the future. They have many great opportunities for us.
It really helps.
It's awesome. It's just fun.
Sheesh.